Hello?
Miss Lestico, guess what time it is?
What time?
It's time for math!
Yay!
Who's ready to skip count?
I am!
Oh, this has been so much fun. This week, skip counting by tens, skip counting by fives.
And we have one more number that we're going to practice skip counting today.
Oh my gosh, Miss Lestico, what is our target?
Our target is I can skip count by twos to determine the total number of objects.
Oh, this is so exciting. Skip counting is so much fun. And it's really helpful because we learn things come in sets of 10, sets of 5. Do things come in like sets of 2 or pairs?
Oh, a lot of things do come in pairs. I know that we can count pairs of animals by two.
Oh, what about shoes? They come in 2.
Oh, that's true. I have 2 shoes. When I have gloves, I have 2 gloves that I might have to count.
I have 2 hands and 2 feet.
I have 2 ears and 2 eyes.
2 arms and 2 legs.
Wow, lots of things come in sets of twos, Miss
Yeah, they
Lime.
really do.
And it's really helpful to know how to skip count by twos because, well, skip counting by twos is a lot faster than skip counting by ones.
Yeah,
So
well, because you don't skip count by ones, Miss Lestico, because we just count. There's nothing to skip.
Exactly, and that takes a long time. So when we skip count, we can group objects together and they get a lot faster.
Well, let's go ahead and see this cool song and help us learn how to skip count. You already know. Stand up. Let's get started.
Get up, get down, get up, get down. We're gonna count by twos, me and you. All the numbers will be even, that's just what we do. We're gonna take both hands, we're gonna take both feet. We're gonna clap our hands and stomp our feet to the beat. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Get up and get down. I get up, get down. Get up, get down. Get up, get down. We're gonna count by twos, me and you. All the numbers will be even, that's just what we do. We're gonna take both hands, we're gonna take both feet. We're gonna clap our hands and stomp our feet to the beat. Okay, get ready. We're gonna count by twos, all the way to 100. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100! Get up! And get down. I get up, get down. Get up, get down. Get up, get down.
Wow, that was so much fun skip counting by twos.
Yeah, there are a lot of numbers when I skip count by twos because I'm only skipping 2 numbers, skipping ahead 2 numbers.
That's true. And I noticed when we skip count by twos, we only count the even numbers. So all the numbers that are skipped are odd.
That's right. We were skip counting and only saying the even numbers, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And that's kind of a pattern, Miss Lestico.
I'm noticing it is a pattern just like last time. All of the ones places has a 2, and then a 4, and then a 6, and then an 8, and then a 0, and
then
it starts over.
Yeah. So as long as I can remember that pattern and remember, hey, it's the even numbers, that's going to help me skip count. Well, what's on our anchor chart?
Well, we have a lot of things that Miss Lime and I talked about that we use to skip count by 2s. We have 2 wheels on a bicycle.
Maybe 2 eyes on your face. So we just put those to remind ourselves, hey, things come in 2s. So we need to know how to skip count by 2s.
That's true. If we were skip counting these objects by 2s, we could say that this has 2, and then we would have 4, and then we keep going with our patterns. 6, 8, and then 0.
That's right, because 10 ends with that 0. Miss Let's Go, I think we should practice skip counting by 2s.
That's true. This is one of the harder types of skip counting just
Mhm.
because there are so many numbers to remember. But the more we practice and get that pattern down, the easier that it will be.
That's right. And so we're going to practice by remembering. I'm going to skip ahead 2 numbers. I'm skip counting by 2s. I'm going to skip ahead 2 numbers and say the next number. So I would start at 2,
4,
6,
8,
10,
12,
14,
16,
18,
20,
22,
24,
26,
28.
30. Now, you are going to practice skip counting all the way to 100. But we just wanted to practice showing you. You're just following that pattern. You're skipping ahead 2 numbers.
You can have the chance to practice this with your class
Mhm.
or at home with your family.
That's right. And it would be really helpful to look at your hundreds chart in class. I know that you have one. At home, we're going to put one on Seesaw for you so you can use that. That way you can practice finding the pattern and saying the numbers.
And then on Seesaw, your activity is going to be practicing skip counting by 2s. So you're going to have to write the number that shows how you skip count an object by 2s.
When you're done, make sure you click that green check mark.
Good luck, first grade.